Good morning, students. The next two organs of the United Nations which we are going to discuss now are the Security Council and Economic and Social Council. As we discussed that the General Assembly is the main organ of the United Nations, the Security Council is responsible for the security and peace among nations. Children, there are 15 members in this Security Council, out of which 5 are permanent members. I am talking about the countries. There are 15 permanent members, these are all member countries, and 5 permanent members. The 5 permanent members in the Security Council are the United States of America, the United Kingdom, which we know as England or Great Britain, France, Russia and China. So children, these are the 5 permanent members of the Security Council. The other 10 members are elected for 2 years. Every 2 years these members are elected. It is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. Whenever there is a dispute between two countries, like if India has any dispute, international dispute with any other neighboring countries, this matter is solved or taken care in the Security Council. And it had happened time and again that the issue related to different countries are taken up in the Security Council. Now there, as I told you, it has 15 members, out of which 5 are permanent, that is the USA, England, France, Russia and China. The non-permanent members are elected for 2 years. Every 2 years there is a change actually, children. Every 2 years there is a change. India wanted maybe try to become a member, non-permanent member in the Security Council, but till date it has not been able to do so. Economic and Social Council is the next organ. It has created a network of agencies to help the poor, the sick and the illiterate. Not only to promote international peace and maintaining peace in the world or security of the member nations. The United Nations work for the upliftment of the people, socially as well as economically. So that's why they do a lot of work related to these issues, like helping the sick people. You must have heard about World Health Organization nowadays due to COVID. Many a times you must have seen people, the nations talking about the World Health Organization, which always monitor related to these type of pandemic issues. Then we have the taking care of the child related issues like child labor or education for children, women dignity, equal status of women and men, and human rights. Human rights, maybe children you have heard about the issues in the USA recently about black demanding for human rights. Okay, so all these things are taken care of by the Economic and Social Council. And they look after the poor, the sick and the illiterate, those who cannot read and write. So they don't know about their rights. The agencies look after the issues related to human rights, equality of women and regulation of trade. Of course, trade regulation is very important because we have business relation with different countries. So there may be disputes related to that. So the World Trade Organization monitors issues related to trade. So in this way, these two organs of the United Nations work for the betterment of the world and for the upliftment of the people socially and economically, and to maintain peace and the security of the member nations. Thank you, children.